How to share Wi-Fi password on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to share your Wi-Fi password from one iPhone to another without typing it manually. Let's get started. Step 1. Turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. First, make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are turned on for both iPhones. Step 2. Sign in to Apple ID. Ensure both devices are signed in to their Apple IDs, and the email address of the person requesting the password is saved in your contacts. Step 3. Connect to the Wi-Fi network. On the iPhone that needs internet access, open Settings, tap Wi-Fi, and select the Wi-Fi network you want to join. Step 4. Bring the iPhones close together. Place both iPhones close to each other and keep them unlocked. Step 5. Tap Share Password. On the iPhone that's already connected to the Wi-Fi network, a Share Wi-Fi password pop-up will appear. Tap Share Password. Step 6. Tap Done. Wait a few seconds while the password is transferred. Once the other iPhone connects successfully, tap Done. Important note: if the Share Password pop-up doesn't appear, make sure both iPhones have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth turned on. Personal hotspot is turned off. Both devices are running a recent version of iOS. The other person's Apple ID email is saved in your contacts, and that's how you can quickly share a Wi-Fi password between iPhones. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. If you're making shorts, this script is about 50 to 60 seconds, which is ideal for YouTube Shorts.